Mickey Mouse Mullen. Hello, mate.
How are you?
Lancs again?
Yes, mate.
Bit of carnage this time?
No carnage.
Good.
We got to look good.
Can't afford to brake anymore.
We got to look good. No, you can't.
I can't afford. They're all in the car.
Pete, pan round, right?
And hang on, you bought all those props and you ain't broken one yet.
Now you've done it now. You've done it now.
Right, he's on about being careful. How many planes are here? Look.
Yeah, I
These
know.
are all mine.
Yeah.
Have a look at Mark's space over there. Have a look
Oh!
there.
Oh, nothing.
There they are, all in the boot.
Go round to the right ball and then we'll get into the A. We stay at full throttle? Yeah, now, yeah. I'm full throttle. Oh, right.
Keep your full throttle on for a minute then. Right, we'll drop down a bit with full throttle and then we'll lose it down the back. You keep going, Paul. Take a round there, buddy. I'm going underneath you a little bit. Keep full power. Come on, Paul.
Right. Coming a bit lower this time, Mark.
Well, go on then, you bring it round, I'm with you. East to the right, Paul. Oh, go on then. Go left now, mate.
Looking good, lads. Looking good.
What about the planes? Boom, boom!
Twat.
Back to the right a little bit.
Yeah,
Round.
be going.
Back down the strip.
Yeah, back down strip, Paul. Come on the diagonal.
Just do figure of eights, that looks good. Get views always then.
Right. When you straighten up, Mark, start off a little bit.
All right. Right now, throttle back just a bit.
Oh, it's pitching all over the place.
Power up, Paul.
Yeah, done.
I'm on my last minute. Yeah, go on, pick up there and I'll tuck in a bit more.
Ah, that was fun.
Yeah, all right.
Figure of eight.
I'm feeling a lot of power, Paul.
Come on. Left.
Yeah,
Figure of eight.
yeah. Yeah, I'm in, mate. And I've got 4 props. That'll do. Weren't brilliant. Oh, mate, there was a couple of too close ones.
That looked good though. Those close ones do look good.
Oh, there was close, weren't they?
Right, I'm coming in.
Oh, remember? Sweet ace. It don't think it matter what way we land.
Crosswind, wasn't it?
Not if you got Mark's skills, it
You
don't
come that
matter.
way and I'll look that way.
Yeah, it's crosswind, don't matter, does it?
That's alright.
That's good.
The ants were still on there.
He had a nice flight then, didn't
Bless him.
Well, I don't know about nice.
You got really nice legs. You know that?
I'll tell you what, mate, I fancy myself every night. That's only because the missus don't. Cheers,
Cheers,
Pete.
mate.
She's got better taste than you.